So many important overlooked issues I could highlight today. I've worked on many and loved them. But I wanted to raise up one about which I'm especially passionate. I have worked on this in philanthropy earlier a bit at Ford, and as you heard from Peter at Public Welfare in recent years with our brilliant grantees in this area. It is an issue, I believe, that undergirds so much of what we all work on in this room. What I'm talking about is the complete failure to provide basic legal help to people as they navigate our complex civil justice system on common yet critical issues of daily life: eviction, debt collection, domestic abuse, child custody, wage theft. The consequences are profound. Without legal help on such matters, people can lose their families, their homes, their livelihoods. They are pushed further into poverty and even wind up incarcerated. Why else should we care besides those very serious consequences? One, the problem is enormous. Because millions of people can't afford an attorney and have no right to counsel, in a shocking 75% of civil cases today in our state courts, one or both parties are going it alone. They simply have no representation in a system designed for lawyers. Two, they are mostly poor, they are people of color, they are mainly women. Three, the issue is virtually invisible to the public and largely overlooked by the media, philanthropy, and policymakers. Four, surely we all would agree that a functioning justice system that enables people to protect their essential life needs is absolutely foundational to achieving the rule of law, especially in a democracy like our own. I ask that we all bring fresh eyes to this problem and to our state court access crisis, where these high-stake problems for low-income people play out every day. After all, there is good news. The crisis has given rise in recent years to an array of innovations to help serve more people who can't afford a lawyer, such as assisted self-help services, online information and forms, and non-lawyer specialists. When properly coordinated and resourced, these solutions can work together to serve millions more people and make possible a system that provides effective legal help to everybody, when they need it and in the form they can use. You know, there is a movement now, a movement for transformative change underway, which includes more than the usual suspects. As Peter alluded, the highest level, the Chief Justices of the state courts, have recently issued a clarion call for meaningful access to justice for all, using this full spectrum of services and innovations. And they have asked leaders in the respective states where this stuff goes down to unite across organizational boundaries to make it happen. The vanguard of this movement has issued a rallying cry of justice for all and not just for those who can afford it. I hope all you champions of justice in this room will hear and join the cry and think how you can contribute to this critical need. Thank you so much.